So let's go on to a game. Who cares about the scores? Let's go to a game called Sound Effects. It's for Colin and Ryan. Colin has come down and do an everyday activity, and Ryan is going to supply the sound effects for him with a simple use of this microphone. That's how it works. And, an everyday activity apparently for you is you're a scuba driving instructor.
Scuba driving?
With a speech impediment, it turns out. You have to convey that with the sound effects. Scuba diving instructor. Away you go.
Oh, shit.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Very good. Well, that's so good. All right. All right. I don't know. For some reason, Colin Mochrie always wins that game, and we give 55 points to him.